Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you the Blackvue DR900S 2-channel installed on a Tesla Model X 2018. So a 2-channel camera allows recording front camera, and the second camera is usually installed in the back, the same as in this vehicle, but it can be installed also on a side or in different locations. I'm going to show you the rear camera first. So we have the camera on the rear windshield. All the wires are tucked in, and we ran the wires through the factory boot. Make sure we don't have any wires showing out, no holes, it looks clean and nice. Also, you're not going to have any water coming in. The wires are ran all through the vehicle liner. So under here we have everything going inside. Obviously nothing is visible. And in the front we have ran the wires through the factory channel. So we have the channel here, which is the channel for the AI camera, and run it through here, and we go out all the way here, and all we have is a small piece of wiring just at the end. Dash cams for different vehicles can be found at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.